fall asleep with your phone in your hand, I trace your face through a grainy little screen.
Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm bringing you a powerful AI-powered music video generator tool called AirMusic AI. With the help of this tool, even if you have no music knowledge, you can create your own song, its video, and even a remix version. So if you want to do all of this, today's video is perfect for you. Today I'll show you step-by-step how you can create all of this in just a few minutes using AI. First, you need to open the official AirMusic website. You'll find the link in the description. As soon as you open the website, you'll see a clean and modern dashboard. At the top, you'll find the main heading and primary options from where you can directly access AI tools. Here you'll see two main features, AI Music Generator and AI Music Video Generator. These are the core tools through which you can create complete music and videos. If you scroll down a bit, you'll find AI-generated music examples. You can play and listen to them to understand the output quality and different styles. This section is very helpful for beginners because you can first explore the results before creating your own music. Now, if we scroll further down, you'll find even more AI tools, such as AI Music Extender, AI Cover, Add Vocals to Music, AI Instrumental Generator, Vocal Remover, Voice Cloning, AI Singing, AI Music Video Generator, AI Rap Generator, AI Image to Music, Audio Cutter, AI Background Music, AI Music Analyzer, AI Lyrics Generator, and AI Singing Voice. These additional tools offer more advanced features, but in today's video, we'll focus mainly on music and video creation. Now let's move to the main feature and create our first AI-generated song. Click on AI Music Generator. Here, you'll get two options, text to music and lyrics to music. I'll select text to music. Next, we'll select a model. You'll see multiple options here. I'll choose AirMusic M2. The most important part is the prompt. A prompt is basically the instruction you give to the AI. Here's an example prompt. Create a romantic English song about a long-distance relationship with emotional lyrics, soft music, and a slow tempo. In this prompt, we clearly define the language, mood, instruments, and style. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the output will be. In the next settings, you can select your style, choose the mood, select the language, choose the gender, and even upload a cover image. Now simply click on the Generate button, and within a few seconds the AI will create a complete song for you. As you can see, our song is ready. Let me play it for you.
You fall asleep with your phone in your hand, I trace your face through a grainy.
The AI has created a properly structured song with lyrics, music, and overall flow. Some powerful capabilities of this feature include intelligent songwriting, where AI automatically structures lyrics into verses and choruses, mood and emotion control, where you decide whether the song will be sad or happy, instant generation, where you get results within seconds, and multi-language support, allowing you to create songs in different languages. Now let's create a video for this song using the AI Music Video Generator. Here, I'll select Director Mode because it's beginner-friendly and fast. Now I'll add my generated song and set the music duration to 1 minute. Next, we'll type a video prompt. Create a cinematic romantic video about a long-distance couple, showing emotional moments like video calls, messages, and memories. Use soft, warm lighting, sunset scenes, and close-up shots. Add slow motion, smooth transitions, and a dreamy aesthetic with a heartfelt, emotional vibe. Through this prompt, we tell the AI what type of video we want. Next, in content mode, I'll choose storytelling. You can select according to your needs. Now we select the aspect ratio. I'll choose 16:9. For style, I'll choose cinematic, and for mood, I'll select romantic, then click Generate. Now the AI will analyze our music and give you 3 creative directions. Select the one you like the most. After that, the AI will create a storyboard and divide the video into multiple segments. As you can see, the segments have been created. You can also select a model for image to video here. You can click on Generate All Video Segments to create all segments at once. If you don't like any segment, you can click Edit and regenerate it. Within a few minutes, your complete video will be ready. Let me play it for you.
Fall asleep with your phone in your hand. I trace your face through a grainy little screen. You say my name like I'm right where you stand, but I wake up to an empty side of sheets. Every airport gate feels like a half dream. Every goodbye kiss stays on repeat. I keep holding your hand across the miles, touch you in the dark with pixel smiles.
And honestly, the result is very impressive. Smooth transitions, consistent visuals, and a cinematic feel. You can also directly download the video. Some highlights of this feature include one-click video creation, where the video is ready without editing, prompt-based visuals where AI creates scenes based on your description, and multi-scene output that gives a professional look. Now let's talk about another powerful feature, AI Music Remixer. With this feature, you can convert any existing song into a new version. Slow and emotional, you can turn it into an energetic or cinematic version. You just need to select your song, choose a new style like pop, EDM, or cinematic, adjust the mood, and click Generate. Within seconds, AI will give you a completely new version. This feature includes style transformation, mood change, and fast remix generation. Overall, if you want to create music, videos, and remixes using AI, this tool is very powerful. So guys, this is how you can use AirMusic AI to create amazing music videos. If you face any issues or have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video with another powerful AI tool. Till then, keep creating and stay creative.